Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Yesterday we saw some steep losses in the grain, especially led by the soybeans. Much of that may be technically related, as the funds may have liquidated some of their positions or added to short positions, because there's not really a threat right now as far as U.S. weather is concerned. And there's also a little bit of concern on the demand side as China's been kind of lagging in some of their purchases of what people thought would be a record demand out of the United States. Beans down about 3 cents. We're right near some support around the 10.20 area in November beans. Corn is right at the 350 mark, and wheat's at 420. So we could actually see these prices leak a little bit lower given a large fund long soybean and soybean meal position. Overnight we saw some rains in Iowa. They moved into west central Illinois. Over the next few days we could see near record temps across much of the Midwest. Today the rains are scattered across Illinois. The 6 to 10 day continues to suggest normal to above temps, but we could see some rain in the southeast, but not a lot of rain in the Midwest. If we look at the 7-day map, most of the rain stays across the northern third of the country. The oil world said that they could actually see for the first time in 15 years China's soybean imports drop below last year's numbers. Some of that could be linked to some negative crush margins, some concern about some other feed usage versus meal domestically, and the fact that China is selling soybeans out of the reserves. At least the initial part of the soybeans that are coming out of their reserve stocks is for food and not crush, but there are some rumors that maybe down the road there might be more beans available for the crushers. We also saw where the cash domestic corn and export basis is firming up on a lack of farmers selling. I think the market is a little bit concerned that if we go lower in corn prices, reflecting the potential for a higher yield, higher production, higher carryout than we thought 30 days ago, that the farmer may not sell. And so you're seeing a little bit of firmness in the basis. Funds yesterday, big sellers of beans, meal, corn, and wheat, and they continue to be long beans, meal, short a little bit of corn now, and short a record amount of wheat. IMF lowered their estimate of world GDP due to uncertainty of BRICS yesterday, and you've got the dollar a little bit higher. You've got crude mixed, and U.S. stocks should open up a little bit higher. So right now it seems like money flow is on hold until it gets a little bit more data. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.